And today we're gonna go for brownies.
Yeah, brownies. Who's going to cook brownies?
So get like 4 eggs. 4 eggs.
Huh?
4 eggs. Get 4 eggs.
Just two. Sorry, I wasn't listening. Just 2 eggs. Thank you.
Oh, I think that's good. So these are the eggs. Okay, let's be careful. No. Okay. So for today, we're gonna cook. I don't know, but she's just reading the. I'm gonna this apple. Huh?
Kuha niyo ang phone ko para may sabi ng pagkikitang angle.
Okay, wait.
Ako sa aking mind. Nag-convert ako kung paano do 2/3 sa 3/4.
Halo.
Oo, kasi 2/3 nga oil kinahanglan. Hawa ko 1/3 na cup. 1/4 akong cup. So pinaka 1/4.
So we're gonna blend it in the way, you know?
So I had to convert it.
Tatlo.
Could have
Yeah,
sparkle
tatlo is yung
butterfly.
just, less more.
Gusto mo ba ka nag-cover nga makara, girl? Kaliwa ka cellphone.
What's the eggs?
Everything
Can
is
I
just...
hatch the egg?
No, you're not going to hatch the eggs. If you hatch the eggs, it's going to be chicken. Oh, you open the eggs in here.
Wait
Put
lang,
the egg
Tori.
yolks.
Wait lang.
Egg yolks will be... No, open it.
Wait lang, Tori.
Relax mo.
May bakit ako.
Yan. Oh, open the eggs. Lagay mo dito yung egg shells, ha? Okay.
I'm going to crack the egg. Hey, stop. I'm going to crack the egg. What is this? It's frozen.
Ne. It's frozen ko no, ne. Tanawa, ne. Ano na, itsura, ne. Itlog. It's frozen.
No,
It's frozen!
It's not frozen, girl. Tanawa, girl, oh.
Oh. What is this?
Ano kong shell? Sige pa. Mama na.
kasi dapat sa baba ka, I told you before, sa gilid mag-open. Okay, go. Put it in. Here. Put it in.
Putin.
Okay, now you put this one.
Give me that water.
Tori, kung magbaho ka, Tori, tanawan mo doon mga video, Tori, tapos tatawanan mo yung self mo.
Buti ka lang tsura.
My hands are sticky. I mean, like,
Sticky,
Slippery.
bubble gum.
that's so slippery. Wash.
Wash the dishes later, Tori.
Oh, now you beat this.
Wala, ibibit mo ka na, Tori. Wala ka, awayin mo yan.
Ano?
Ibibit mo daw sila. Wala, hindi ko na ako sa itlog.
Those are dead. They're deader than dead. Gusto mo ba? Good sa da?
This one's already ruined.
Good
Get
sa da?
ruined. Get ruined. And then I make them.
Yeah, mix it first.
May hulaan sa ikaw, Tori. Anong gusto malalaman? Anong gusto malaman mo?
I
Anong
do
gusto mo
not.
malaman?
Ano gusto mo
Can
malaman?
I, please?
Ano gusto mo malaman nila? Para masaya na natin. Ako si Cassiopeia. Gusto mo malaman ko paano mo i-celebrate yung birthday next year? Wait lang.
Ang mga mata.
Wow! Nakikita ko, Tori, may pool. Di ka na sa tunga. Para mga bisita. Abo-abo. Wow! Tapos may slide ka mo sa pool. Tapos i-invite mo yung mga best friends. Tapos naghampang ka mo. One whole day ka mong nag-swimming.
Oh, mix. Are you excited? excited, girl. Why is it not mixing? You need to mix it like this.
Awesome. Let me go with something.
Why is Mommy Abby not helping?
She got a boss.
Anong boss? Ano?
Boss.
Ano?
Boss.
Boss?
Yeah, boss.
Botong. Pasneya.
Do you think she's funny?
Kita mo taong ipag secretary. Ay, sa group sa secretary. Ang picture na to kay mamang cellphone. Hindi, ay saan ang bang nakakulot sa abok. Sino ang kulot mo ka to? Sa buhok mo to, di ba, ang bug ko sa school? Ako, biago, madali. Hindi ka makita sa piha? Dapat kita ko sa dalawang camera.
She's got to be done all week.
Kaya ako doon yung brownies.